Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14T and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Let's up. And here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it was 32 minutes, most of the time I've spent on the settings, then phone, camera, gallery, etc. We've got also the unlocks and notifications count. If you want to check some further details, you can either tap inside this graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can compare the screen time in specific days of the week. You can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened, and under it you've got the list of specific apps which you've been using with and the exact time you've spent on them. And the other way is to tap directly on the app, so for example settings or phone. Again, you will have the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. What is more, here you've got ways to disconnect, which are extremely useful, especially if you decide that you're spending too much time on your device. So you can set, for example, the focus mode where you can hide the notifications from distracting apps in a specific schedule. I highly recommend to check it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.